Money is an aspect of everyday life. You can use money for buying a car, buying a house, or buying tacos from Taco Bell. In this video, you will learn about the functions and characteristics of money, what the money supply is, and how the Federal Reserve affects society with its monetary policy. Money has four functions. The first is that money is a medium of exchange where people use money to buy and sell goods and products. The second function is that money is used as the common benchmark to designate the prices of goods throughout the economy. The third function of money is store of value, which is postponing the satisfaction obtained from using or consuming goods until a later time. The final function of money is standard of deferred payment, which is specifying future payments for current purchases.
The 5 characteristics of money are acceptable, standardized, quality, durability, valuable, and divisible. These characteristics are what allows money to function in an economy. The money supply is divided into 3 categories. M1, which is cash and other assets that can quickly be turned into cash. M2 is M1 plus savings deposits and other time deposits which are less liquid. M3 is M1, M2, plus large time deposits and institutional money market funds.
The Federal Reserve is who controls the money supply and determines if they want to use expansionary or contractionary policy. Expansionary monetary policy increases the money supply in order to lower unemployment and increase borrowing and spending and stimulate economic growth. An example of expansionary policy would be buying Treasury securities, which will directly increase the money supply. Contractionary policy slows the rate of growth in the money supply in order to control inflation. Also, it can discourage borrowers and spenders. It can also slow economic growth and increase unemployment. A recession can come from contractionary policy. An example would be selling Treasury securities, which would decrease the money supply. In conclusion, the characteristics of money allow for it to function in our economy and make it possible to buy goods and services. The money supply is divided into different categories based on how liquid the assets are. The Federal Reserve uses monetary policy in order to control the money supply. By controlling inflation, unemployment, and economic growth, the Federal Reserve has the greatest impact on our economy and society with the expansionary or contractionary policies they put to use. The Federal Reserve will do what is best for the economy, even if it can sometimes have some negative effects.